Your boy is too hyped, cuz. I'm too hyped. I think I have to go out there, bro. Whoa! Woo! That was mad. That was mad. Still all in one piece. It's held in like cable ties, so the cable ties just broke. Yes! Yo, what's going on, bruv? So out here again on school course, you get me? And you can hear a nice JZX in the background doing its tinkers. So today, your boy is all about trying to do tandems with people. That's something that I missed out on last time I was here, as I was here alone. Listen to that 1J fam, oh my goodness. So I'm out here trying to do tandems with all the foreigners that are allowed in, cuz, you get me? I'm so gassed, bro. I'm so gassed to get to do tandems, bro. But yeah, let me show you the car that we're gonna try and chase and have chase us today as well. Yeah, bruv. So that's man like Connor from Ireland. That's his JZX just there. His brother is drifting it right now. It's his first time in a rear-wheel drive car. He's got a 1.4 litre. Nice, nice. So his brother's drifting it now. His brother has a 1.4 litre Corolla back in Ireland. So he's doing really, really well for that JZX, bro. So once they're done and they're gonna switch back out, then we're gonna have some laps, cuz, you get me? Gonna go out for some laps, cuz, you get what I'm saying, bro? Man is so gassed. Man is so, I don't even wanna put the tripod up. I just wanna get out there and drive, cuz. Let's go, fam, let's go, jeez. Hey, bruv, you know what I'm saying, fam? That was so good. So you guys saw I had the camera on the back as well, and that's something new that I'm doing, to put the Insta360 camera on the back so I can catch cars when they're going left and right trying to chase me, you get me? And also I'm sure I might catch some shots of me getting real close to them from the side. Sometimes my in-car camera misses that. But bruv, that was so much fun, fam. That was so much fun. That was our first time doing tandems together. I showed him the layout. We're doing the layout that myself, Andy, and Nian have done in the past. It's a great way to practice tandems, you get me? You get to practice tandems in a safe environment where you can always get out of the way. And there you can hear the Team Orange drift taxi out there taking some people out for some rides, some Japanese people. It's really cool. Bruv, it feels like the life has come back to this place now that the borders are open, everyone's allowed to come back in. But yeah, bruv, I want to do some more tandems with my boy Connor, fam. Let's get that rolling, let's get it going good, bruv. Woo! That was mad, that was mad. He just did a big swing, fam. Oh my days, cuz. Oh my days. But yeah, bruv, let's do some more driving, cuz. Jeez. after them mad ting laps, bruv. I hope the footage shows just how close I was, because I was right there, fam. All that training paid off, fam. I was right there. It was good. I decided to stay back because my tires were getting low. So now we're here to rotate them because we're trying to get as much out of them as possible. And yeah, bruv, let's quickly rotate them. Then I think we're gonna go up to North Course and try some big boy swings, you get me? Big boy swings. Yes, bruv. Alright, bruv, so we're out here right now. Changed the tires, got them rotated, we're good to go. We're out here on North Course, bruv. Look behind me, bruv. North Course is looking stacked with cars, fam. There are cars everywhere, bruv, everywhere, you know what I'm saying? And my car's just behind the camera, so bruv, let's get out and drive, fam. So I was trying to chase some people, and then you can hear them, they're going nuts, bro. I was trying to chase some people and I was doing it wrong. I wasn't matching their speed and line. I was trying to go my own speed and my own line, which just messed everything up, and I had to slam on the brakes and not hit someone. So it was all 100% my fault. These are just the things that I didn't learn while I was here on my own. So my rear bumper came off, I'll show you. Just there, it came off, but yeah, we'll leave that off, it's fine. Just put it over there, it's still all in one piece. It's held in by cable ties, so the cable ties just broke. So it's all there, still in one piece, which is good. You know what I'm saying, the car still looks presentable, and I'll save this for EDS, you get me? But yeah, bruv, let's go out and drive, cuz. Hey, bruv, them were some mega laps, bruv, in the JZX Chaser and the Laurel, fam. I couldn't keep up with Tyler in his 32 because my tires were dead, but bruv, that Laurel, I was right there, cause I could have tapped his stuff. I was right there. Hopefully that camera on my roof would have caught it. There it is, right there. There's the Laurel that I was chasing, bruv. Oh my days, fam. It was so good. My tires were bad, so I was like to him, yo, let me just chase you. And he was like, all right, we'll do a few laps, and bruv, it was mad. I think that's the closest I've ever got. Like, all that training paid off, cause I was so hyped as well. I was like, yeah. I like dove in on that first corner, then hung back for the middle section, and then dove back in again. But a controlled dive, fam. Bruv, I'm so gassed, I'm so high. Let's have a quick look at the cars that are here, and then we'll go watch some drifting, bruv. So we got this JZX100 Mark II, which is Colette's. And then Adam Elsie's car's not there, he went down to get some food, but they'll be up driving in a bit. Then we have the Sideways X Mark II with the cut boot, the Series 1 tail lights. Then we have Gobbler and his Project X6 boys with their cars over there, a couple JZXs, some more of the sideways cars at the very end, just there, 3 more JZXs. But yeah, bro, it's good. It's so sick, and there's some people out there driving. There's a saw out there doing this thing. But yeah, let's quickly go over there to the corner and go watch some drifting, bro. Oh, I hear someone going for it. Yo! Yes, bro! They're going crazy. Waiting for them to come through here. Shoo! Banter, fam. Cheers. There's Tyler's R32 just there. And there's Ben's Mark II. It's Andy's teammate. This is his practice car. There's one of the sideways customer cars just here. 100, bruv. The best cars to use at Ebisu are JZXs, fam. Everyone has a JZX for a reason. Yeah, let's see if we can capture some big boy entries. Yeah! Yes, bro! Oh my days! Yes, my G! Yeah! Aye, the vibes, the most immaculate vibes, fam. The most immaculate vibes. Yes! It's a party! It's a party! Oh my days, fam. It's not even Matsuri yet, but it's a party, cuz. Alright, so it's probably time for me to get ready to drive again, but my tires are dead, cuz. They are DED, dead. So I'm taking back down to Power Vehicles, and with the power of editing, in 2 seconds, I'll be right back. So I've changed tires, fam. The car is good. And now North Course is absolutely popping off, bruv. Wait for these cars to come around the corner screaming, fam. Listen to that. Yo! Yo! That's crazy, fam. That's crazy. So obviously, your boy just put on some fresh tires. Yeah, you know what that means? It means your boy is good to go. So let's quickly heat cycle these, get them going. And let's see if we can jump in with anyone, bruv. Hey fam, it's getting rowdy, cuz. You can hear all the cars going, bruv. It's getting rowdy, cuz. Oh my days, fam. I couldn't see coming over the hill. Your boy was trying to initiate, but I didn't adjust my speed, so I was messed up trying to chase Tyler. A couple of good runs, then chasing my boy Connor in the Chaser, and like he spun in the first corner, and I like managed to just miss. Oh my days, fam. Whoa! Yes, yes! It's crazy, bruv. It's crazy. Yes, bruv. Let's look at these trains, bruv. People are having some mad trains, fam. Yo! bruv. There's some more. Bruv, it's just wild, fam. It's just absolutely wild. The amount of cars that are out. There's another one. Hey! Yeah, boy, it's too hyped, cuz. I'm too hyped. I think I have to go out there, bruv. I have to go out there, fam. Jump in the car and just go. Oh my days, cuz. So that was a mad thing. Like, I didn't even know, like, that was crazy. I felt like they were setting up with my car. I don't know what it was. Maybe it was just me being like, chasing these guys at super high speeds. I don't know. But that's why I kept on staying back. I was out there on my car, feeling a bit weird. I didn't feel I'm comfortable with it. So let me just go behind you lot. And yeah, I think towards the end we figured out, but in the car I was just getting way too hot, bruv. I could feel the heat from the floor, bruv. From the floor I could heal it. I'm like, I'm gonna go and pull in and stop because I've been going too hard. This car needs a break, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's crazy. There's like 15 people up here on North Course right now. It's a mad thing still, bruv. You can hear the car behind me still. Like, look at it. Hey! It's a mad thing still. There was mad trains, bare things, fam. I know it looked like I didn't want to lead any laps because I thought I was gonna spin. But I don't know what it was, fam. It was just feeling bare weird. But yeah, cuz, should be a good mad story, you get me? Look at the view behind me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hit a like button, subscribe, do all that jazz. And your boy will catch you next time. Jeez! Oh my days. I'm so tired, bruv. I think I need a sweet treat or something, bruv, after all that driving. My goodness.